I'm Dr. Ara Deukmedjian, CEO and founder of the Deuk Spine Institute. I'm here today to talk to you about 5 myths about spinal fusion. First myth is that spinal fusion will cure your back or neck pain. This is the furthest thing from the truth. If you pin your surgeon down and ask him or her, will your fusion cure my back or neck pain? They will universally tell you they will not. And that's because spinal fusion does not cure back or neck pain. Spinal fusion actually makes back or neck pain worse in most patients. If you don't believe me, go on social media. You'll see thousands of posts about patients who have had spinal fusion done and they're in worse pain now afterwards than they were before. Why is it that spinal fusion doesn't cure back pain? Because spinal fusion doesn't address the source of back or neck pain. This is what spinal fusion does. It stops movement of your spine. Well, when you stop movement in certain joints, it's going to make other joints and other areas work harder and wear out faster. And when they wear out faster, you're going to be in more pain. Second myth, spinal fusion is safe. This is the furthest thing from the truth. Spinal fusion is one of the most dangerous surgeries we do on the spine. Spinal fusion has a high complication rate. Complications include infections, hardware breakage, migration of the implant, loosening, fracture of vertebrae, adjacent segment disease, heart attack, stroke, pneumonia, blood clots. All of these are complications that are well known for spinal fusion. The third myth about spinal fusion is that the recovery will be fast. People who have spinal fusion often take years to recover from the surgery. This is because spinal fusion causes trauma to your body. When the surgeon goes in and makes the big incision, peels the muscles off your spine, starts removing normal bones and ligaments, all that damage to your body is going to cause a long recovery for you. Often you'll be on narcotic painkillers, muscle relaxers, anti-inflammatories for years after your surgery. Many people don't even make a full recovery from spinal fusion. Fourth myth is that spinal fusion is the only treatment available for you. You have to have a spinal fusion. Surgeons often point to spondylolisthesis, which is a slippage of bones, or stenosis, or malalignment such as scoliosis or kyphosis as the reason to do spinal fusion. But stop, you don't need a spinal fusion. There are better alternatives. Spinal fusion is never the only option. And finally, with number 5, they tell you you're going to be normal with normal activity after your fusion. This is the furthest thing from the truth. How can you have a normal back and do normal activities when your spine is fused with metal rods and screws and you can't move it? Of course that's not true. They just want you to sit down and have the spinal fusion so they can make the big bucks, and you're going to be left with the consequences of having a fusion done. There are better alternatives. Do yourself a favor. Look into laser spine surgery. Much better alternative than spinal fusion. At Deuk Spine Institute, we do it through a 7mm incision. Our patients go home an hour after surgery. We have a 99.6% elimination or cure of your symptoms from the areas that we treat, and it's a permanent treatment. Thanks for speaking with me today. I'm Dr. Deukmedjian. See you soon.